What's up, YouTube and fellow stackers? Slacker back from Golden Spike Stackers. We got a package in the mail today. One big package. It's actually a box. SD bearing supplies, and you guys all know what SD bearing supplies is all about. So we're gonna get into this box. Still sealed up. So let's do this. All right, let's check it out. See what's inside here. Let's see, make sure I can open it up without cutting myself. I think, is that all they did was just one big, oh, that was nice and easy. Just one big piece of tape. There, let's put this right here. Here we go. Oh, yes. Got my shipping goodies, everything that's in the box. Take care of that. One big bag full of a bunch of goodies. We got here one tube, two tube, three tube. All right, let's get into this bag. Let's move this box out of the way. All right, here we go. Let's take a look at what we got inside this awesome bag. First thing we got, get this open. Nice bubble wrap. Oh, right off the top, first thing we're gonna show. What? Two 1/10 ounce American Gold Eagles. Get that to focus. Right there. 2021. And go. There. What's that? 2021. So we got two 1/10 ounce American Gold Eagles. Put those right there before they fall out of the little sleeve. Let's see what else we got. Got another $5 face Mercury dimes. We got, let it all fall out. Some of it hidden. Surprise. We got $10 face half dollars. This was the mixed. It's supposed to have, I mean, we'll see, but I'm hoping Walkers, Benjis, and Kennedys in here. And here probably at a later date, guys, we're going to open this up and we're going to divide them into their own individual tubes. So we got a $10 face halves. Come on. About to just dump it all out. Yeah. Come on. Oh boy. Oh boy. What else we got? Some 2021 Philharmonics. There's two. What we got here? Oh yeah. 2021 American Silver Eagles. Yes, sir. Some more 2021 American Silver Eagles. '21 Eagles. Some more 2021 Eagles. '21 Eagles. '21 Eagles. And some more 2021 Philharmonics. There's a date, 2021. 2021. Back and forth. 2021. There. 2021. 2021. Some more Philharmonics. And 2021. And 2021 Philharmonics. So we ended up picking up that 8 2021 Philharmonics, which this is for my European stackers, guys. I'm going to stack a tube of 2021 Philharmonics this year for the EU stackers out there. Austrian stacker and all the other EU stackers. Silver 47. Gotta look at the list. There's a list of them. But man, these are for you guys in tribute to my Euro stackers. So EU stackers, this one's for you guys. So we are going to stack a tube of 2021s this year. And then we got 12. Yep, 12 2021 American Silver Eagles, 2 2021 American Gold Eagles. They're so pretty. Wants to fall out of the slip. Stay in there, you. 2021. And we got a $5 face Mercury dimes and a $5 face $half or $10, sorry, $10 face $half of $half. Man, I'm getting all tongue-tied. But yep. So that's it, guys. This is my package I just received from SD Bullion. Lots of goodies. Yeah, tell me what you guys think. And I want to say I appreciate everybody that's been giving us a watch and supporting the Golden Spike Stackers. Really enjoy getting to know this whole community. You guys are just amazing. Just a really great group of people. I mean, everybody so accepting. It's been great, and yeah, I'm really loving the journey. I mean, this has just been awesome. So yeah, guys, you know, again, thanks for hanging out with me, Slacker from Golden Spike Stackers. You know, like, comment, subscribe, do the thing, you know, and yeah, drop me a comment. Tell me what you guys are thinking. So yeah, this me. I am Slacker Stacker from Golden Spike Stackers. Let me get my finger in here. I'm Slacker. My cousin is Bourbon Stacker. So if any of you guys were wondering, Bourbon Stacker and Slacker Stacker. I'm Slacker Stacker from Golden Spike Stackers. So thanks guys, thanks for hanging out, and I will see you later.